Hello farmers, una welcome to diyfarm. So for today's video, we wan talk about broilers bird. Na broiler bird you dey see when e dey chop. So wetin be broilers bird? Broilers bird na commercial bird wey dem dey raise for meat production. So dis bird dem dey train am to slaughter or for meat production. So e mean sey dis bird dem dey grow fast, dem get gene or something wey dey inside dem wey dey make dem grow fast. So within week 8 to 3 months dem don mature. Within 2 months and 3 months the bird don mature wey be sey you fit sell dem and you fit slaughter dem. So dem dey grow quick quick. Another thing about dis bird be sey dem no dey like place wey dey hot well well. When dem dey for place wey dey hot, dem go begin dey breathe, dem go dey open mouth dey suffocate, dem go even die. Another thing about dis bird be sey when you dey raise dis kind bird, make you dey put medicine for dem, something like vitamin. If you dey give dem vaccine, antiviral vaccine, vaccine and so on, you go try make you dey give dem. The birds dem no dey hard to raise, na just simple bird but dem need care when you dey raise dis kind bird. So broilers bird na fine bird wey you fit raise. E dey very important make we raise am, and again e dey profitable when you dey raise dis kind birds. So thank you guys as una don stay with me till the end of the video. I hope sey una enjoy the video concerning everything wey you need to know about broilers bird. If you get anyone to add, make you add am for the comment section. Bye. See you for my next video.